Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you a few chat tricks. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make a custom chat format, get custom ranks, and also how to do custom commands. I don't know how long this tutorial is going to be. It should be rather quick, honestly. Alright, so you should have the player break block, which you really don't need. You just delete. It's up to you. I'm going to keep it for the sake of this tutorial. You can begin by doing world before events. So it'll happen before chat send. So world before chat send subscribe parenthesis data space exclamation no, it's not an exclamation mark. Equal sign, arrow, bracket, and then go down. And then we're gonna go ahead and do these things. We're gonna const the message, const the sender, and const the prefix. Finding our variable here, which we made, message. That is the message we actually get from what they sent. And then we define the variable sender as, and then we are gonna define the prefix for our chat commands. And in this case, we're doing exclamation. We're also gonna define the rank tags. So this is how they find the rank of the player. So we're not going like in order here. I'm just gonna set all of this. Rank tags equals sender.get tag, and this is getting the tags of the sender, and then we're filtering it. Tag starts with rank, and that's getting all the tags that start with rank. And then we're going to run another definition, formatted ranks equal rank tags dot length less than greater than 0 question mark rank tags dot map. So we're mapping the ranks, and we're replacing the rank with nothing, and we get whatever is after that rank. So if you were to give the tag rank owner, it would remove this part and just leave owner. That'd be your rank. Otherwise, if you don't have any ranks, it'll go ahead and set your rank as member. When they send a message, if the message starts with, and then we're gonna grab the prefix turn, which makes ignore the message. It's gonna ignore the command messages, and then it's gonna prevent the original. And then we'll go ahead and do world send message. This little quote, not this. It's gonna send the bracket, and then we're gonna get the money sign, formatted ranks. So it's gonna list all of the ranks they have. And then we're gonna money sign again, sender.name. So it says the player's name. So if a player sends like hello in chat, it's gonna format saying like, it's gonna look like that instead. That's what we just formatted it to. Anyway, that we set up the chat. Now we're gonna do it again. We could just copy all this over here. We're gonna go ahead and const the sender, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the message, and then we'll get the prefix again. So we're gonna go down here. So if you ever change the prefix of your command, just change this. Both of them. We gotta change it down here and up here. Now we're gonna do if the message that they sent, if the message they sent is equal to, this is where all the commands are. It's equal to, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the prefix. So it's gonna have the prefix and then spawn. So if you ever switch this to like this in the future, instead of switching all the commands individually, you could just switch it up here. We're gonna get a bracket again. Data.cancel. That basically cancels a command, or cancels the message being sent in the chat. And then here it's gonna teleport them. Make sure it looks something like that. And then this will teleport them to the spawn location and send this message saying they teleported. How it figures out who to send? It's going off the sender. So it gets the player, then teleports them to these coordinates. It gets the player, and then sends this message. And that should be self-explanatory. We can go off this bracket here, and then we can say else if parenthesis message. So if the message is equal to these instead, we're going to do another two commands, being game mode creative and game mode survival. These commands. So it's going to check if the message is equal to money sign, prefix, GMC. It's not that. Put these lines, and then message equals that, and then money sign, and then prefix, and GMS. And then we're gonna do another case. If the sender does not have admin, it'll go ahead and cancel their message, and then it will tell the sender you do not have permissions. And then we'll do another else. If else, so if they don't have it, if they don't have the tag admin, it'll tell them they don't have permission. Otherwise, if they do have the tag, it'll cancel the message first, and then it'll define game mode. So if the message they sent was GMC, that's the creative game mode. Otherwise, it's the survival game mode. And then it goes to survival run, system run, and then it runs command. I think you can run this off the player, but it runs the command, game mode, and then to find the game mode, like I said, it goes off what your command was. So if you sent GMC, that defines the game mode as creative. So then it would be creative would go down here, game mode creative. That should be formatted, and then it looks something like this. It looks pretty nice. And you can just join the game. Just join the game. If you're already in it, you can click reload. You can type in chat. It should look something like that in chat. Ooh. Hello. And if you have two tags, like add, drink, owner, it'll look cool like that. Pretty simple. And then, of course, the commands. Spawn. Teleport to spawn. GMS. Will work. GMC. Will work. But if you did not have the tag admin and tried it, it'll say you don't have permissions to run that command. Well, that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned a bit. Bye.